Did you know your brain lies to you every single day? And some of your behaviors aren't even controlled by you. Stay till the end. Your brain believes repeated lies faster than the truth. If you hear something often enough, your mind starts accepting it as real, even when it's false. People who overthink are often more intelligent. Their brain processes too many possibilities at once, making them anxious but highly aware. Silence makes people uncomfortable because the brain hates uncertainty. That's why people talk just to fill the gap, even when they have nothing important to say. Your brain remembers embarrassing moments more than happy ones. It's a survival mechanism. Your mind tries to prevent future mistakes. When someone interrupts you often, it usually means they feel mentally superior. It's an unconscious dominance behavior. People are more honest when they're physically tired. The brain doesn't have enough energy left to lie properly. Your brain creates fake memories without you knowing. Every time you remember something, your mind slightly changes the story. We judge people within 7 seconds of meeting them and then spend months trying to prove ourselves right. People who smile less are often more trustworthy. Too much smiling can signal manipulation to the subconscious mind. Your brain cannot tell the difference between imagination and reality. That's why visualization works and why overthinking causes real stress. The human mind is powerful and dangerous when misunderstood. If you learn something new, like the video. Subscribe to MindFacts for daily psychology truths. And comment which fact surprised you the most.